Hello everyone, this is Prashanth. Let's continue with the last lecture. So now I move entering into the some real-time examples of IoT. In IoT, we have in Internet of Things we have different applications based on the hardware components that we used Arduino and Raspberry Pi. With the help of Raspberry Pi and Arduino, we can develop so many IoT projects depend on the requirement. So here some real-time examples of IoT. So before going to real-time examples of IoT, just we have to discuss about the some basic principle. What are the basics contained in Internet of Things? Who was the founder? What are the specifications? What are the course objective, course outcomes? Just we have to know some basic points. Let's start with the course objective, course overview here. Course overview include the principles of IoT. It courses provides a comprehensive understanding of the fundamental concept, technologies, and applications related to the Internet of Things. This is the course overview of overview. Next, just we move on to the course objectives. So here the student will try to learn. It provide with a comprehensive understanding of IoT concept, technology, and applications to equip the students with the practical skills in hardware interfacing, sensor integration, and system development like that. Along with to familiarize the students with the network management system. In network management system, just by using Yango module, just we can create some Flask method, some Swagger method. Just we have to implement the WebSocket communication APIs. Like that, the all comes under network management only, and cloud computing techniques relevant to the Internet of Things. And to faster critical thinking, just we move to the we reach the level of Bloom's taxonomy level, that is the critical thinking last level. The critical thinking problem solving abilities in designing and implementing of IoT solutions in across various domains. So these are the before moving to the real-time examples of IoT. These are the some course outcomes. So before that, after successful completion of the course, the students are able to design and implement of IoT system with the help of some IoT protocols. Just we already studied about the some characteristics of IoT, basic features of IoT. Like that, with the help of that things, just we have to implement IoT system. Along students should be able to capable of designing and implementing of IoT system, including selecting appropriate hardware components, designing efficient communication protocols, and integrating sensors and actuators in the system. So these are the students should be able to implement IoT system in the part of with the help of these things, and analyze IoT requirements. So wherever the IoT requirements compulsory in these days, just compulsory we are using daily IoT devices, but we don't know that is just belongs to IoT, like that we don't know, but we are using in daily life. So here the able to analyze the requirements of various IoT applications and select the most suitable architecture and technologies to meet these requirements efficiently, and apply data processing techniques. Just we have to, after gathering the information, we have to transfer the data from one device to another device, destination. So here they should be process the skills and pre-process to analyze the data collected from IoT device, extract valuable insights, make informed decision based on the analysis results, and implement security measures also. They should be capable of implementing security measures to protect IoT system from potential cyber ethics, including authentication, encryption, and access control mechanism. So these are the some course outcomes. After successful completion of the course, students should be able to design and implement of the system, analyze IoT requirements, apply data processing techniques, implement security mechanism, like that. So next, these are the some IoT course outcomes. After successful of the course, the students would be able to remaining evaluate IoT applications in terms of scalability, reliability, and cost effectiveness. Communicate and collaborate efficiently, effectively. The student should be proficient in communicating technical concepts, related to the IoT. So that is communicate and collaborate effectively and adapt to emerging IoT trends. So in these days, just enabling them to stay updated and continue contributing to advancement in IoT systems and applications. So these are the course outcomes. So next, just these are the some introduction points we just before entering into real time examples of IoT here. IoT comprises things, just these are IoT devices all are having unique identities and connected to the internet. So simply in this case the fan is available. So before that the fan is ideal mode. So when you connect to the internet, that fan, it can be transformed into the IoT device. It is smartly it is a smart device, like just you can operate with remote wherever you go in the inside of the home. Just you can operate with remote on and off. The speed will increase or speed will decrease. So this is the unique identities and connect to the internet of IoT device. And existing devices such as network computers or 5G enabled mobile phones already have some unique identities that are nothing but IP address, and also connected to the internet, that is nothing but URL. So the focus of IoT is in the just configuring before authentication, just configuration and control and network via internet of devices are things that traditionally are not associated with the internet. In this context, the traditional devices are network computers and 5G mobile networks. So this is the IAC and 5G mobile images demonstrate the need of configuring, control and networking via Internet of Things. Such devices are thermostats, utility meters, Bluetooth connected headset, irrigation pumps in agriculture department. Wherever you go to, compulsory the need of IoT is essential. So these are the some introduction points regarding IoT. Next, he is the father of IoT, Kevin Anston. Just in the origin of IoT, we started from 1999 only. He is the Internet of Things. Is a title of PowerPoint presentation when he was working at the Procter and Gamble. He had come up with the idea of attaching RFID chips to consumer goods to automatically track style levels in stores. So from that only the Internet of Things idea will came into force. Stores only. Next one, the components of IoT. We already know compulsory when any device can connect it to the internet. Compulsory it gathers some information with the help of sensors. That's why the first component is sensors and connectivity. Then people and process. Just we have to process the data. So this is the components and people process. Next, advantage of IoT. Advantage of IoT, here we have minimized the human effort. So compulsory there is no human intervention in some cases, as the devices of IoT interact and communicate with each other, and the LUTA is the lot of task for us. Then they minimize the human effort. For example, home automation using IoT. With the help of, for example, fan or fridge or AC, whatever the home appliances are available in home, that can come, just you can communicate with, operate with only remote. So without any go there and just you can switch on the power button, off the power button, like that. Just you cannot do that type of things. And to save time, it reduces the human effort. Then it definitely save out of time. This is the primarily factor which can save the through the IoT platform, home automation using IoT by example. Next, enhanced data collection. We have a huge amount of data collected based on our requirement, whatever the domain, either medical department or irrigation, agriculture department, wherever you go, compulsory we have to collect a huge amount of data. From that huge amount of data, just we have to extract what information we require. Just you can extract. So that is the enhanced data collection. One of the advantages of IoT. By using IoT applications, raw data can be enhanced to get proper information of the device or users. So this is the medical department patient monitoring system or a remote monitoring system. From the patient, just we have to gather some information like humidity, temperature, blood pressure, whatever the patient having some parameters, you have to collect through the sensors. So that is a remote patient monitoring system under enhanced data collection advantages. Next, storing the patient data in Excel sheet like that. So here, field 31.6, 31.5, just you can decrease or decrease. This is the entity ID, 511 to 533. For every second of time, just we have to store the data in raw data. Is nothing but raw data in Excel sheet. So this is the just example of storing the data of the patient. So next, temperature monitoring using IoT dashboard. This is nothing but enhanced data collection here. Patient COVID patient data like that, it will show the graph centigrade, in how much centigrade it will maintain the room. This is the screenshot of real images. Next, disadvantages of IoT. Compulsory everything having advantage, some disadvantage, but the advantages are more just in cases. In that case, just we have to ignore the disadvantages. In IoT also, we have some disadvantages in terms of security, privacy, complexity. As the IoT systems are implemented and communicate other over the network, the system offers little control despite any security measures, and it can be lead to various kinds of network. That is in terms of security and privacy. Yeah, even without any active participation of the user, the IoT system provides substantial personal data in minimum detail. The last one, complexity. The designing, developing, and maintaining of and enabling the large technology to the IoT system is quite complicated, a little bit complicated. So these are the disadvantages of IoT: security, privacy, and data complexity of the system. And applications of IoT in every domain, we are using IoT devices. So these are the some real-time applications in healthcare, medical department, environmental. So it connect smart farming, smart agriculture, wild vegetation, and climate changes monitoring. Smart cities, smart homes, smart buildings, urban computing, traffic management, and security management. So traffic management compulsory. Just you want to go somewhere, either a complex or any square plazas like that. Before going there, you have to collect the data whether the parking space are available or not. Based on that, you will arrange by go through the car or motorcycle, whatever. Like that information you gather from there by using IoT devices. So that is in terms of smart cities. And commercial, shopping system, retail. We have so many real-time retail websites are available in those days. Based on the availability, just we have to search in that component. And industrial purpose, smart grid and smart metering. Smart grid and smart metering is nothing but in the industrial, the huge amount of machines are available. So for a particular mission, what is the period of that mission? Just you have to analyze how many years it will work, or how many days it will work. The efficiency of the mission will be increase or decrease. Like that, the lifetime of the mission, just you can calculate through the IoT device. So that is industrial Internet of Things. Just it comes under industrial Internet of Things. So the lifetime of mission, every mission, you can measure through the connected devices with the help of IoT. And infrastructure, real-time performance, energy efficiency, that is comes under infrastructure energy efficiency. So these are the different domains of applications of IoT: environmental, healthcare, smart cities, commercial, industrial, infrastructure applications. And applications of IoT in terms of various things. Smart home automation, industrial Internet of Things, it is very, very important. Compulsory, you have to know, predict the values of mission life cycle. Smart home automation, it enables the homeowners to control various devices and appliances remotely using their smart homes or voice commands. So examples of include smart home thermostats, smart lighting systems, smart security cameras, and smart door locks like that. Any unknown persons are in front of our door, just automatically it can detect the person is not belongs to this home. It can send immediately it can send the data to the source, so the another person is in front of our door. Like that, we have some so many applications and smart home automation system. And industrial IoT, IIoT, Internet of Things. IIoT optimizes the industrial process by connecting machinery, equipment, sensor to gather data from monitoring and predictive maintenance. The predictive maintenance is nothing but machine life cycle, machine lifetime, like machine lifetime, how much it will work, or it is going to work, what is the expiry date, like that. It enhances operational efficiency, reduces downtime, and improves overall productivity in manufacturing, logistics, and energy sectors, like that. Next, smart cities, health monitoring system. In smart cities, IoT technologies are deployed in urban infrastructure to improve the public service transportation system and resource management. So in order to improve this type of public services, transportation system, and resource management, just we have to the smart city. Healthcare monitoring, in medical department, just smart devices, variables collect real-time health data and transmit to healthcare providers for remote monitoring and diagnosis. Applications include continuous vital sign monitoring, medication, other taking elderly care assistance, like that. We have so many applications in healthcare monitoring. So the next, agriculture IoT, retail and inventory management. So in agriculture IoT, just we have irrigation, smart irrigation system, drone system, weather pattern, crop health, soil health condition, like that. We have to measure the data. It enables the precision agriculture, water conservation, sustainable farming techniques, like that. We have to predict the values. And the retail inventory management, it tracks inventory levels, monitor product movement, analyze consumer behavior to enhance supply chain efficiency and improve customer experience. So based on that, like feedback, end user feedback, like that. Applications include smart shelves, RFID tags, and inventory management system under retail and inventory management system. So next one, last one, environmental monitoring. Just we have to gather our the values, like humidity, temperature, how much. So environmental, air quality, water quality, environmental condition to monitor pollution levels and access the impact of human activities on the environment. So with the help of, with the target of, or with the based on that human activities, the pollution is day by day is growing on. Like that, we have predicted the values of air quality, water quality, and environmental condition. It helps the government and the organization to make informed decisions to mitigate environmental risk and protect ecosystems, like that. So these are the applications demonstrate the diverse ways to which IoT is transforming industries everyday life, making process more efficient, sustainable, and interconnected devices. So you are just use, this is the slogan. You name it, you will have it on IoT. And, yes. So some current status and future scope of the IoT here. By 2000, we are 2024, but up to the data up to 2020 only, how many devices are connected to the internet? Connected device per person here 6.58. This is the world population connected devices. The up to 2020, 7.6 billions of world population, but the 50 billions of devices connected to the internet. We are in 2024, almost 100 billions of devices can connect to the internet. The same population will grow on 7.8.2, maybe, like that. So there will be lot of devices connected to people on the earth. So by 2030, there will be a lot of more connected devices than people on the earth. So this is the current status and future aspect, future prospect of IoT. The next one, this by company according to the Gartner, 26 billion, Cisco 50 billion, Morgan Stanley 75 billion, and Intel 200 billions of devices connected to the internet. In demographics, the world population is the total number of humans currently living and was estimated to have reached 7.8 billion people as on June 2020. Up to the data up to 2020 only. After that, we are not updating the data. So these are the some number of devices connected to the internet. And then the last feature scope of IoT, it is gained a lot of popularity in lesser time. Also advancement in artificial intelligence, AI and ML. Compulsory in AI and ML also there is involvement of Internet of Things is essential. Have made the automation of IoT devices easily. Basically, AI and ML programs are combined with the IoT device to give them proper automation. Due to this, IoT has also expanded its area of application in various sectors. Change is the only thing permanent in the world, and the sky is not the limit, it's only the beginning of IoT. So these are the AML, data science, cyber security. In this domain also, the involvement of IoT is essential. This is the future scope of IoT. And career opportunities in IoT, we have how many jobs available in IoT industry in US and India. The future scope of IoT in India very high. There 117, 114 job opening for IoT developer. On the other hand, in United States, the demand for IoT developer has jumped to 300%. So mostly up to 2020, it is 180% only. So just after 2020 only, just increased one more to the 120, just it become to 300% of jump. We are living in a digital world, fully connected technology and advancement. Of this technological advancement is Internet of Things. The future scope is paving that way to make the world a smarter place to live in. The future scope of IoT, we will see the various areas of the applications of Internet of Things and how it will change the way of our living. So these are the some career opportunities in IoT. Remaining salary of employees in IoT also we have to discuss here. Average salary provided by IoT developer in the United States is 164,417 per year dollars, but the annual salary of in India 12 to 16 lakhs, 12 to 16 lakhs. So 2015 to 2025, 74.5 for connected devices. So this is the number of IoT developers in 2014 to 2020 Intel pack. So these are the two images based on these employees. And IoT definition we already know. Just you can interconnected physical devices, vehicles, appliances, and other objects enhanced sensors, actuators, softwares, and connectivity capabilities of them. Next, the inferring information and knowledge from data. Just we have data collection, data pre-processing, data mining, statistical analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, visualization and interpretation, interactive process, natural language processing, and exploratory data analysis. So, inferring information and knowledge from the data involves extracting meaningful insights, patterns, and trends from raw data through various analytical techniques. So these are the some real-time examples of IoT with inferring information from knowledge from data with the help of data collection, data pre-processing, data mining, statistical analysis, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, visualization and interpretation, interactive process, natural language processing, exploratory data analysis. So these are the some examples. Thank you. Remaining continue with the next lecture. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.